Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you some skincare tool realness. I want to make sure you guys are getting the most out of your skincare and skincare tools. So the topic I'm going to cover today is, it's called a Gua Sha. But before I continue on, my Gua Sha had a little accident yesterday while I was preparing the video and fell on the floor and broke, but it's okay. I'm still gonna give you guys the benefits, the structure of a Gua Sha, and how it can help. So make sure you finish the rest of this video to see how you can use yours at home. Alright, so first I'm gonna talk about what is a Gua Sha. It's a face sculpting tool that was basically originated in Eastern Asia. It's a tool that brings blood flow into whatever part of the body that you're going to use this for. Now, I'm pretty sure people have seen tools like a Graston, those are the metal bars, or Gua Shas that are probably this much bigger, used for larger areas of the body. Those are basically the same thing that this is. It's just in a miniature size to get into the deepest and the smaller parts of your face. So basically, people have been using this for years, but now it's coming into a modern approach to skincare. So here's some of the benefits. Benefit number one, a Gua Sha is used to sculpt the face. It's just one of the many benefits that a Gua Sha has. It's designed basically to go with the contours of your face. As you can see, there's the curved side right here. If you flip it, this was a straight edge, and it always has a little dip or divot in it to get into bone structure contouring. So benefit number one is to sculpt your face. If you want to receive a higher cheekbone, or at least the appearance of one, this will be very helpful. For benefit number two, a Gua Sha helps relieve any muscle tightness within the face. Now I'm gonna tell you why this is important. Just like any other muscle in your body, it's important to stretch it, elongate it, for one, to reduce any fatigueness that it can acquire from doing whatever. And it allows the muscle to be the best muscle it can possibly be. So just like the rest of your body, and you stretch and you give that time, also do the same with your facial muscles so they can again be the best muscle that they can be. For benefit number three, a Gua Sha helps promote blood circulation to the face. Now, just with any other area in the body, again, whenever you get a massage or if you just get any deep tissue rubbing in that area, it sends blood flow to that area, and that signals to the brain to heal whatever is being worked on. It's the same for your face. To keep your face from any sagging, any dullness, using a Gua Sha can help revitalize your appearance and just appear in an overall youthful look. And lastly, a benefit of using a Gua Sha on your face is to promote lymphatic drainage. And this is why I would advise you to use your Gua Sha in the morning, because that's when you can acquire a lot of water retention overnight while you're sleeping, and that's probably why you would look more puffy in the morning. So use your Gua Sha. So now I want to talk about the structure of a Gua Sha. They're usually glass. I love how some of them are shaped to be marble looking, and this is mine, and you can kind of see a little bit within the glass, the marbling. You kind of have to be in person, but it comes with a curved, let me attach the piece for you. It comes with a straight side, a divoted side, and a curved side. So for instance, for the straight side, I would use this along my neck. I would always go up, I would never go down. I would never tug on my skin, especially on my face and my neck. Do not do that, you guys. You're aging yourself faster than we have to. So use the straight edge side to go up, push the area towards behind your ears. That's where you usually, again, can help the body push any water puffiness out. So to speak on the curved side, I usually use this along my cheekbones, right underneath my cheekbones, and I just angled it right where I kind of have like a natural contour. angle it, go up. And it's important, again, even when you're on your face and it feels smooth, just take your time with it. Don't be too aggressive, because the skin on your face is a lot more delicate than any other skin in your body. And lastly, I like to use the, I can't believe this broke, the divoted end, and I use it where you would feel a bone. So let me explain that. So I would use this along, I'll just get rid of that, and it's not sharp. So I would just use a bone, like my jawbone, to go along that area. Again, pushing still upwards and towards the area of drainage. I would use it on my brow bone to, again, contour that as well. I would even use it on my nose bridge. I don't know how much that does, but I think that's another area that can be contoured. And yeah, those are 3 ways you can use your gua sha. And here's an extra tip. The pointed end at the gua sha, you can use that on your temples or anywhere on the middle of your forehead, on your neck, to do a pressure point to relieve any migraines, headaches that you may get often. And again, push that tight muscle, which is basically what it is, and promote blood flow into that area to promote healing. So this is really an all-over tool if you're not even into skincare. It just helps your overall body wellness. Also, I wanted to add in here, not every gua sha is the same, but they usually have those 3 key features in it, but some have been shaped like hearts or a different type of design. It doesn't have to necessarily look like this, but just make sure you have one that you can do different things in whatever area with, and they're not really expensive. I believe I got this one off of Amazon, so I'm gonna put the link in the description box so you guys can just go right along with that and buy it. And lastly, I wanted to add that don't ever go on your face with a gua sha without anything to help it glide or give it some slip. It's really important, again, not to put too much aggression on your face. So that's why it's really good to get something slippery or oily to use along. And it also helps to bring the product into the skin, help it absorb even more. So instead of you using just the oil and letting it rest, you use a gua sha to really work it into the skin and give the oil the best chance of healing your face. So the one that I've been using that I really love is the SheaMoisture Glow Getter Press Serum Moisturizer, and this gives me a lot of slip. I don't use this every day because it's pretty oily, but whenever I use my gua sha, I make sure I go with this because it's not tugging on anything. It gives the best slip. So make sure you use any type of oil along with your gua sha. So I just really want to say that I love using gua shas. I think it's important because for me it helps promote blood flow and it helps give my facial structure. I love the way I look without any enhancements. I love what God gave me, and I just want to take care of that as best as I can. So this tool really does it. I really notice an immediate difference when I use my gua sha in my face. It just looks more bright and alive and youthful, and I really love that. Also, using a gua sha is important because as we get older, you want to make sure it's just like a workout. You want to make sure that you're giving your face a workout as well as your body. It, again, works on your muscles, your facial muscles, and it makes it be the tightest in a good way, the best way it can be, if that makes sense. So that was a basic review on how to use your gua sha. I also wanted to add that another similar product to a gua sha is a jade roller. Now, for me, I just prefer the gua sha over a jade roller because I feel like I get more precision than the rolling ball on my face, but to each his own, whatever works for you. I think the benefits for both of those products is to promote blood flow in the area, so you get down with what you get down with. Thank you so much for watching my channel today. I hope that the information was beneficial and helpful for you guys. And if you check out a gua sha, let me know how you like it. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. And again, drop down in the comments box below of any skincare tools that you guys use. I want to know about them. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.